forces out. We have Lealtad. Pass to begin. Moving up on the outside is Marias, Sir Bryant, Hot Shout, and Lucky Lorky is the early trailer. Lealtad, the leader, Viola. Right behind in second is Marias, Hot Shot in the middle. Then comes Sir Bryant and 5 lengths for the back in fifth comes Lucky Lorky. And going along for the first turn, Lealtad. He's 2 lengths in front of Hot Shout. Is Marias. Drags back in third. Sir Bryant in fourth. And Lucky Lorky. They swing him to the back. Lealtad by only a length. Then here comes a Hot Shout. Now trying to get closer in second. Is Marias in third. Sir Bryant and Lucky Lorky. Lealtad goes on by about 2 lengths. And in second is still is a Hot Shout. Is Marias in third. Sir Bryant and Lucky Lorky. And it's still Lealtad by a length. Hot Shout is on the outside second. But it's still Lealtad by a length over Hot Shout. Is Marias in third. Lucky Lorky, Sir Bryant. As they come down at the last 150, Lealtad by about 2.5 lengths this time. Hot Shout still in second is Marias. Last 100 meters, we have Lealtad now by about 4 lengths over Hot Shout. And finally, Lealtad, Hot Shout, Lucky Lorky. Then comes Marias and Sir Bryant.